Hi guys, today we're going to look at a genetic cross question. The leaf color in a plant is controlled by two alleles, green being capital G and yellow being small g. Thorns on plant stems are controlled by two alleles, the presence of thorns being capital T and no thorns being small t. Two plants with genotype capital G, small capital T, and small g, small t were crossed. Their offspring were then left to pollinate each other. The table below shows the possible genotypes of the offspring of the second generation. Genotypes I and II have been left out. Question 2.1.1. Give the A. Genotype I. So here we have the genotype I, and we can see that it is this gamete being crossed with this gamete. And when we cross those two, we get the genotype capital G small t as the capital letter comes first, and then capital T small t. B. The phenotype II. So II, we have this gamete being crossed with this gamete over here. So both gametes are homozygous recessive. So our phenotype would also be homozygous recessive, making the plant have yellow leaves and no thorns. Question 2.1.2. List 4 genotypes of the offspring of the second generation that would be phenotypically different from the original pair of parents. So the parents' phenotypes are homozygous dominant, therefore green leaves and thorns. And this is crossed with homozygous recessive, so yellow leaves and no thorns. Therefore, the ones that are phenotypically different would be either green leaves and no thorns or yellow leaves and thorns. And the possible genotypes for that is, if we want to say green leaves and no thorns, we could either have small t, or we could have one small g and one capital G, and then two small t's. And then for the yellow leaves with thorns, we can have two small g's and two capital T's, or we can have two small g's, one capital T, and one small t. And those are all the possible genotypes. And that's all for this video. Thank you.